Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a review, sharing my honest experience and thoughts and just everything in general of some hair growth vitamins. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that 2 months ago, probably a bit longer now, 2 months ago and a bit, I posted a little video saying, hey, I'm doing this hair challenge, just letting you guys know. So now it has been 2 months since that video. I've been taking these vitamins for 60 days and I'm here to share the results with you guys. So the company I am talking about is TROPICA. So these are 100% cruelty free, they are vegan, and they claim to give you longer, stronger, thicker hair and just more beautiful hair in 60 days. They do also offer you a money back guarantee. So before we get right into it, I want to be 100% clear and transparent with you guys. This is a sponsored video. However, that being said, this in no way changes my thoughts, my experience, or my overall view of the product. I have not yet measured my hair, so I'm not 100% sure in terms of growth how that has happened. We'll do that towards the end of the video, but I just want to be 100% transparent to you. I did definitely stipulate before agreeing to this that I must be able to do a 100% honest review, negative or positive. So you guys can take it or leave it. If you want to believe me or not, it's your 100% choice, but I'm not in any way forcing you guys to buy this product. This is just basically my experience with the product. Basically, the tablets did come in a packaging like this. Obviously, there was other packaging around it, and you had 30 tablets in each. I think the packaging is pretty cool, but we're not here really to talk about the packaging. Let's be honest. I do want to say as well that this whole time, the last 60 days, I've done nothing different with my hair care routine. I've washed it the normal amount of times, which is once a week. I've used heat on it my normal amount of times, which again is once a week. I've brushed it the normal amount of times, which is not much. I usually brush my hair the first few days and then the rest of the week I just kind of tie it up and forget about it. Mum life. I've pretty much done everything exactly the same. I've colored my hair once in that time to refresh the color. So when I first started this color was brand new. You guys will kind of see as it's faded. I refreshed it and it's obviously started to fade again as time's gone on. So I did just want to say as well that I am currently breastfeeding. So I have obviously had clearance from my doctor prior to using these products. I got clearance prior to signing an agreement or anything like that. And my doctor said it was completely safe for me to take these while breastfeeding. As with everything, if you start a new supplement, if you start a new whatever, it is always good just to check with your doctor, even more so if you are breastfeeding. So just my 2 cents. Yes. I've been introduced to a brand called TROPICA. Basically, this company do hair growth vitamins. I know there's so many kind of hair growth gummies and vitamins and things like that out on the market, but this is the first vegan one that I've come across. I am skeptical of products like this. Who knows if they're gonna work? You guys know I am a qualified hairdresser. I kind of just think that, you know, your hair grows roughly 1 centimeter a month and there's not really much you can do to change it. 2 boxes full of tablets in here. I'm gonna start taking them today. I've done measurements of my hair. We are going to measure. Let's go, we'll measure from under my earlobe because I think that will be a good gauge. Alright, to here. So that is 25.5 centimeters. We're doing before and afters, and I'm going to be taking these and see if they work. It says it will give you longer, stronger, thicker hair. So yeah, I'm putting it to the test. So the first thing that I noticed was the first, probably within the week, the first kind of week in, I did notice my scalp was itchy. I did get a lot of, I remember I was kind of physically noticing itchiness on my scalp. I don't know if that's like stimulating the hair growth or anything like that. I'm not sure. It's definitely not itchy anymore, but that's kind of what I immediately noticed. I do know that my hair definitely does grow slow. It is slow growing. I've never really had super long hair ever in my life. So yeah, I was definitely intrigued, let's just say that. The first thing I did notice was just the smoothness of my hair, which was really strange. Like probably about a week in, when normally when I'd wash my hair and just let it dry naturally, it was just insanely chaotic out here, frizzy, just meh. I would get a lot of dreadlocks in my hair. My hair would be quite hard to manage, hard to brush. My hair texture is very thick and very coarse and very kind of wiry naturally. So always I've just been like, this is just my hair. My hair's never really had a defined curl to it. It's just kind of wavy mehness. But the first thing I did kind of notice was my hair seemed more defined. The curl seemed more defined when I would just kind of let it dry naturally. It seemed more manageable. It didn't seem to tangle as easy. That's kind of the first thing that I really noticed. Hello rainbows. So I quickly just had to jump on here and tell you guys how my Scent Tropica hair challenge is going so far. It's only been a few days, like not even a week yet. And I've already noticed an improvement, mainly with the texture and frizziness of my hair. So my hair goes extremely fluffy and frizzy every time I wash it and just let it to dry naturally. So there's a fly and it's annoying me. Yesterday I washed my hair. This is what it's like at the moment. Like I have not even brushed it. I've slept on it. Normally when I sleep on it, it makes it 1,000 times worse. And wow, Hazel's coming in for a cuddle. So yeah, normally it's 1,000 times worse. Normally it's like insanely frizzy. And I was actually impressed at how kind of condensed it looked and how kind of defined some of the curls looked. Like this never happens. Look at this definition in this, like I'm just like, I feel speechless because my hair never normally is like this ever. So yeah, wow. As time went on, you know, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really notice length-wise any real difference. I mean, it has been 2 months, and when I straightened my hair this morning for this video, I was kind of like, oh, okay, it is feeling a bit longer. Not like insanely longer. It doesn't feel like it's grown a foot or grown 10 centimeters or anything like that. For about the halfway mark, so I did do some measurements, I did do some fresh photos, and I also did color my hair around that time. So at you know, the 1 month mark, my hair was really faded. I checked in with you guys, and then I colored my hair like the following day, and I'm like, damn it, I should have like checked in you guys with fresh hair color. So I wanted to like update you guys just so you knew that, like, you know, I'm not lying. Hey rainbows. Wow, so much has happened since my last check-in with you guys. We have moved house. We have moved. So still in the process of unpacking and all that jazz, and you know, the lighting's not the best in here. But anyway, rest this up here. Let me put this under here. Okay. So I have now been taking my Scent Tropica tablets for over a month. It's pretty much just been 1 month, 1 day. So today I'm going to do a little check-in, a measure-in. This is my second little container of tablets. So on to month 2. So the main things that I've noticed with my hair so far, I haven't measured my hair or taken any photos or compared anything like that. But the main things I've noticed so far is the softness of my hair. When I wear my hair natural, the curls were just so much more defined. I had less frizz, I had less just chaos with my hair. And that was with me doing nothing. I've changed nothing in my normal hair care routine other than adding this in. So everything else I'm doing is exactly the same as I would always do. So yeah, that was like pretty amazing. It seemed like the products I was using were working better. Like it was just like, oh, okay, what's going on? My hair's also been less tangled. My hair is notoriously hard to brush and tangles extremely easy. So I was just like, man. Thickness wise, it kind of pretty much still feels the same. I think I may have been getting a little bit less fallout. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell because I wash my hair once a week, and sometimes I can, you know, not brush my hair for a few days. So it does seem like I'm getting, I guess, a bit less kind of fallout than what I normally get. You normally lose 100 hairs a day anyway, so meh. Anyway, so I think last time I measured my hair, was it 25, 26? Obviously because I've been moving, I don't have the same measuring tape, but I have this one, which does have centimeters as well as inches. So inches, centimeters. So I'm pretty sure I went from underneath my ear. So I'm just going to face the mirror here. Underneath my ear. Okay, this is going to be harder than I thought. Underneath my ear. Drag it down. Okay. Ooh. Hold on, let me do that again. Down here, hopefully I'll zoom in and you guys can see that. So it is measuring 27, just over 27. Get some better lighting. Oh my gosh. Way different lighting. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the month, hey? So after that last 1 month check-in, the next day I did color my hair and I took other photos as well. So there's basically 2 lots of photos, 1 day apart, one with my faded hair, one with my fresh hair, just so, you know, I just wanted to let you guys know, like, why is her hair color different in that one and blah, 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 blah. So I just wanted to update you guys and let you know that. I know that my hair's not perfectly straight in these photos, but I did stretch it out and measure it out as well. The rest of the month went on. I continued taking the tablets daily. I didn't miss a day, and I did make sure that I stayed really well hydrated. That was one thing that they did stipulate to me. Oh, slippery, up you hop. You've got makeup on your face. You've been playing with makeup, haven't you? Oh, you want boob, okay. Boob. I feel like I'm a milk bar, aren't I? Aren't I? Yes. Also didn't really change anything in my diet. And this was quite, I guess, a stressful period of time, because moving from Kalgoorlie to trying to find a rental, to trying to move into a rental and being on my own the whole time with Hazel, yeah, it was really kind of stressful time to be doing this, but hey, I kept up with it. So we are now at the end of the journey. I took my last tablet yesterday. I've kind of freshly washed my hair, straightened it, and I'm ready to give you guys my final thoughts. I haven't actually measured my hair yet, so I should probably measure it. Before we do the measuring, I guess, because I am feeding Hazel and I can't measure it at the moment, I'll tell you guys how my hair's feeling, my thoughts, and kind of what went on with it. So as I said, I didn't really notice any major length growing. I do feel like my hair is longer, but obviously it's been 2 months, so it should be maybe 2 centimeters longer. I don't know if it's like drastically longer than 2 centimeters longer. I'm not sure, I haven't measured. But the thing that I've really noticed, my hair was more manageable. It being left to dry naturally, it was more manageable. I felt like when I straightened my hair, it stayed kind of straighter for longer in a way. I definitely felt more shine, definitely a lot more softness on my hair, because I feel like my hair never really feels soft, and I feel like it's felt more soft. It's felt easier to brush. It doesn't tangle as much. I don't get any kind of massive dreadlocks. Usually the only way I could kind of brush my hair was like with conditioner in the shower, but I feel like it's definitely been a lot better. I definitely feel like I do have more kind of little fluffies up the top here, which I guess is new growth. So I definitely feel like I've got a lot more kind of new growth happening, which is awesome. My hair does feel a little bit longer, but nothing insanely long in a way. Oh, I'm interested. I want to measure it right now. You're done. Okay, let's measure. Let's measure. What if I can't find a ruler? Oh, I didn't plan this too well, did I? Do you think that I can find a measuring tape or a ruler or anything? No, I can't. So I need to go to the shops and buy one. Oh my God, I'll be back. It means I have to get out of my pajamas. Oh my gosh, epic. Bought a ruler. I'm so unprepared, hey. The story of my life, actually. All right, this went from like under my ear and like pulled down. So I literally like had it on my ear and then just measured. I can't even see. I need to do this in front of a mirror. I'm feeling where my hair ends. Oh my gosh, it's almost at the end of the ruler, it feels like. I swear that was 30 centimeters. No. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm still pulling my hair. still have my hair. That's 30 centimeters. Wait, no, how is that possible? How is that possible? Oh my God. It's still under my ear. Here, under my ear. Yeah. Oh my God, it's 30 centimeters. No. How? I swear it was like, what was it, 26 centimeters-ish when I started from memory. I'm gonna have to look back through the footage, so if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but holy shit. No! The 30 centimeter line is here. It's not right at the bottom of this, guys, just so you know. So this is like 30.5 centimeters. How is that happening? Okay, that's just like, wow. Because, you know, I said like I personally didn't really feel like it was that much longer. Like you guys know day to day, feeling your hair, seeing your hair every day, you can't really notice that much of a change. It's like with your kids, you know, they're growing, but you see them every day. You don't really notice that much until you've probably been away. That shocked me. That shocked me. So that means my hair's pretty much grown 4 centimeters in 2 months, which is double the normal rate. Even for me, I felt like, thank you, honey. I felt like it didn't even really grow 1 centimeter a month normally, my hair. So that has definitely shocked me. I was not expecting that. Let's put the photos together. I'll take some photos now and then we can see exactly how it's looking. My final thoughts on this. I'm impressed. I'm shocked. I didn't actually think that this was possible. I was not expecting that length. I was not expecting that much length. Like I've always kind of seen these things and just thought they were kind of gimmicks and, oh, you know, blah. And you see people whose hair's grown this much and I'm like, as if. But maybe if you've got really, really fast growing hair normally, you definitely see more of a drastic improvement or a drastic length. And especially for someone whose hair grows really, really slow, for me to get 4 centimeters of growth in 2 months, like, wow, that's pretty crazy. Overall thoughts, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. If you guys are intrigued about a product like this, if you guys feel like your hair's a bit lackluster or needing a bit of a boost, or you're just wanting to try something, you're just wanting to give it a go, Scent Tropica do offer you a money back guarantee. Like if you get to the end of the 60-day challenge, they even have a 30-day challenge. If you get to the end of it and you're not happy, you can get a full refund. You can also get the product sent back to them for free. Like they cover the cost of shipping both ways. I don't really see what's wrong with it. Like if you guys wanted to try it out, again, I'm not forcing you to buy it, don't get me wrong, but if you're intrigued about a product like this, I can't vouch for any other brand. I haven't used any other brand before. This is literally the first one that I've ever really used. I'm impressed. I was not expecting that amount of hair growth. I didn't think it was possible. I was very skeptical, but the hair growth alone, like that's amazing for me, let alone the other benefits that I found, the shininess, the softness, the kind of manageability and the tangle freeness of it. I'm very impressed. I also wanted to say they have been kind enough to give you guys a discount code. I will have everything linked in the description box below for you guys, so check it out if you are interested. So thank you, rainbows, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, leave me a comment, all that jazz, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.